Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new lecture. Now, Shorts viewers rarely ever read the description of the videos they watch. However, you can still utilize this space for full optimization of SEO and other keywords to get your short to rank highly. Now, traditionally, writing a captivating and optimized description for your YouTube video has been crucial for increasing engagement because it provides important context and information about the content to potential viewers. A well-written description would normally entice viewers to watch the video by highlighting the most interesting or compelling aspects of the content. Now guys, it can help with your search engine optimization if you include relevant keywords and phrases that will help your short appear in search results. Now, although people will probably never read the description of a short they scroll past on the feed, writing a captivating, optimized description for your short can absolutely be crucial for increasing your engagement. It can also help viewers find your content and improve your search ranking. So even if your viewers won't actually see the description, guys, I fully recommend using it and just using it as a space for keywords and anything related to your videos just to help us really boost our short to get onto the shorts feed. So here are some steps to follow to write a great description. First is start with a hook. Now your first sentence on the description should start with a hook that grabs viewers' attention and encourages them to keep reading. Use descriptive language and focus on the most interesting or unique aspects of your short. Next is provide a brief summary. In the next few sentences, provide a brief summary of the content of your short. This will help viewers understand what they can expect to see and decide if it's worth their time to watch. This is exactly what I do for all of my shorts, guys. Next is include keywords. Obviously, really important. Incorporating relevant keywords into your description can help improve your video's visibility in search results. Make sure to include phrases that accurately describe your video's topic or content. Next is add links. If you reference other videos or resources within the short, make sure to include links to them in the description. This can also help increase engagement and provide viewers with additional resources. Next is call to action. Encourage your viewers to engage with your video by including a call to action in your description. This can be as simple as asking them to leave a comment, like the video, or subscribe to your channel. Again, people will probably never see it, but it wouldn't hurt just to put something like subscribe for more crazy nature facts. Next is keep it concise. Whilst it's important to provide a detailed description of your video, make sure to keep it concise and to the point. Aim for around 2 to 3 paragraphs at most. Last but not least, we have use formatting. Now it's important, guys, to break up your description into smaller paragraphs and use formatting such as bullet points or bold text to make it easier to read and skim if you need to. Okay guys, so overall a well-written description can help attract more viewers to your video, improve engagement and boost your overall search ranking. Do not underestimate the importance of this often overlooked element in your shorts content. So guys, by now you must know I love using ChatGPT to help with everything. So it might not come as a surprise that I use it to write me descriptions for my shorts too. So let's hop into ChatGPT and get it to write us a description for our short. Okay then guys, so let's start. So this is going to be a description for a crocodile video that I recently did. So what I'm going to do is ask it in no more than 200 words. Please write me a description for my latest YouTube video. The video is about the, let's say, biggest / deadliest saltwater crocodile from the Philippines. Let's say, actually keep the name in there as well, called Lalong, because the crocodile was called Lalong, so we just need to include that. I don't know why it's changed there, but let's, in that case, full stop. Then we need to say something like, make sure to include the keywords. So guys, this is where you need to be really on it. Make sure to tell ChatGPT to include specific keywords related to the video. So my keywords are saltwater crocodile, biggest crocodile, and let's say deadliest crocodile. So these are the 3 keywords I really want ChatGPT to include many times within this description. So you need to make sure you're clear here and make sure you list off the keywords you want to include. So let's say to help me rank highly in search results. So again, guys, just tell them you want to rank highly in search results, so include these. And then lastly, you need to say, please also include one of the keywords in the very start of the description. So the algorithm takes into account the very start of the description, so make sure to include the keywords at the very beginning. This also helps you massively, guys, and you just need to include it on ChatGPT so they know. Okay then, so what we've got here, I'm not really sure why it's giving me a title, to be honest. I didn't ask for that, but anyway, so it's to do in the description now. Let's have a look. Okay, so yeah, not too long, that's fine. Okay, perfect. So get ready for an awe-inspiring journey. It's saltwater crocodiles, riveting video. We'll delve into a cribble tale of along, step into the untamed wilderness, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, plenty of saltwater crocodile keywords. I'm really happy with that. That's great. Perfect. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.